Dark Sonic, okay? Look on my pictures, okay? This is what I'm gonna make, okay? See? I'm gonna make Dark Sonic right here. And I'm gonna make Sonic, okay? Press Sonic, okay. You need head, hair. Doesn't have a mouth. Doesn't. No, like this. Okay. No nose. No ears. Okay. Just using the body. Spikes. Shoes. Belly, no belly. Okay. Hands. Sorry. Okay, this is it. Okay, his name. Okay, his name. Dark Sonic. There. Now I'm going to make Sonic. Okay. Hair. He needs a hair. Needs mouth. Okay. Big smile. Eye. Yeah. There. Nose. Yeah. Ears. Body. Okay, belly. See? We're almost there. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. Arms right here. Darn! Not right. Oh, yeah, there. Okay, shoes. Shoes now. Legs. There we go.